ladies and gentlemen, parents, my principal, my PTA chairman, and the deputy, I greet you all. My name is Martin Chichoke Onyeshes, and these children you are seeing here presently are my favorite students. What you are presenting here today is the beginning pressure that we have to display. Further because these children are presenting power and presenting stage pressure. The reality of